Hello guys, welcome to Physics Mastery Academy. 2-point objects, each carrying charge 10Q, are separated by a distance d. The force between them is F. If half the charge on one object is transferred to the other object, while at the same time the distance between them is doubled, what is the new force between the two objects? 0.19F, 0.25F, 0.75F, or 4F? Which one is the correct answer? Okay, let's get started by finding the force between these two objects. The distance between these two, as mentioned, is d. The force can be found by Coulomb's law, and after replacing the charges in this equation, we get 100 kq squared d squared. And for simplicity, we can name kq squared d squared as F. So the force between these two objects is 100F. Now we transfer 5Q from the left to the right object, and we make the distance between these two 2D. Again, after replacing 5Q and 15Q and 2D in this equation, we get F prime as 18.75 F. Therefore, the ratio of F prime to F after cancellation F between these two becomes 0.1875. If we round it, it becomes 0.19. In other words, F prime is 0.19 F, which is much smaller than the original force between two objects. That means A is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.